Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you a step-by-step process on how you can turn your Gemini AI into dark mode. So, if you are sick and tired of the same old default theme, you can do this to turn it into dark mode. Go to the Gemini AI in your Chrome or Edge browser, and then you can see that it is default mode. Go to settings and you can see that there's a dark theme over here. After you enable it, your Gemini AI will become dark. Go to settings, go to dark theme and disable it again to get your default theme. It's quite simple. Go to settings, go to dark theme and enable it. This is how you enable the dark mode or dark theme in Gemini AI. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.